Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dual connection and add the second device for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. So right here we have the first device what connected with the earbuds and have an application, and the second do not. Firstly, on the first device, we need to open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list, tap on them, and then we need to scroll down. Right here we have dual device connection. So enter here and make sure that you enable this mode. If you use LDAC, it means that you disable dual connection, because you cannot use dual connection and LDAC together. So then you need to disable DAC and then go to the dual device connection and enable this mode here. Now we need to wait a bit. Okay, now we have it. Then go to the settings on your second device, then Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top. Not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just enter to the Bluetooth. And now we need to enter pairing mode. How we can do this? You have two options. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold connectional button at your charging case. Right here we have it for at least 3 seconds. Or just click connect a new device in the application. So it's up to you. Let me press and hold at this button. Here we go. And after that you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. We have connection with the second device. Now let's go to the Bluetooth at my first device and reconnect these earbuds with the Bluetooth. And now, as you can see, we have both devices connected with two earbuds. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.